The ultimate StackSocialcom review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for software courses or tech deals, most people get this wrong by buying at full price or trusting unverified sellers. The surprising truth about StackSocialcom is that it curates verified, discounted deals on tech apps, online courses, and lifestyle products all in one safe platform. First, browse categories. You won't believe how wide-ranging it is: coding courses, productivity software, creative tools, and even gadgets. Filters help you find deals based on rating, popularity, and price. Next, check product reviews. Most people get this wrong by skipping them. StackSocial integrates verified buyer feedback, which helps you gauge quality, usability, and value before purchasing. Look for bundle deals and promotions. The surprising truth is that StackSocial frequently offers discounts up to 90% on high-quality products, sometimes with bonus content or extended licenses. Finally, checkout and delivery. You won't believe how smooth it is: secure payments, instant downloads for digital products, and responsive support ensure a seamless experience. In conclusion, StackSocialcom can take you from zero to pro in getting tech, courses, and digital products at great prices. By exploring categories, reading reviews, tracking bundles, and following safe checkout practices, you'll save money while accessing premium resources efficiently. Smart planning ensures maximum value with minimal risk.